Once you've created your campaign and you want to send a quick test to yourself, so from the editor you click on the next button. It will take you to a screen where you can send a preview mail to yourself. So you can type up to 10 email addresses to which you want to send a test or a preview to. Just keep in mind the preview mail comes through as Sulakani Media Marketing and preview mail, and the links won't work. Reason being, it's just a quick test to show you how the email looks. Alright, but as soon as you send it to your database, your actual database, it will consist of the correct information, send information, and all the links will generate properly. Okay, so let's just send a quick preview mail to ourselves. Let's okay, I hit the send test button. You can see here your test bulk email has been sent. So now let's go to the mail client and see how the preview mail comes through. Okay, so as you can see, it comes through with our company information and it adds preview mail in the subject. So this is purely just for testing purposes, just to show you how the template will look. Alternatively, you can also select to send to a test group only. So then the email will come through exactly like it would when you were to send it to your actual database. So if you want to send it to your database, obviously on the second step you select the test group, and on this page you can just scroll down, and at the bottom here it says send marketing email. So once you click this button, it will send it off to your database. So let's click on it. Before we click, important is it's got a scheduler here. If you want the campaign to send immediately, just leave it on the default settings. If you want to limit the number of returns that you get, then you can adjust these times, so then the campaign will only send between those times. If it doesn't finish, it will continue the following day between the times that you indicate here. Alright, below that it also shows you a summary of the email, the number of credits that you have left, the size, the number that you're sending. If you require any additional credits, it will pop up here in red saying that you need to top up your credits. Alright, so we've got sufficient credits, so let's just hit the send marketing email button. So now you will be redirected back to the login screen, or actually this is a save campaign screen. That's fine. So now you want to check whether the campaign is sending. So simply scroll to the top and click on mail queue. Alright, so you will see there are multiple sending queues, and at the bottom the feeding queue. So once the campaign is submitted, it will remain in the feeding queue and pass X number of emails to the various sending queues, and it will continue that process until it's done. Alright, so this is how you send a preview or a test mail to yourself. Happy sending. Cheers.